thing about being part of concentration, trading, being an entrepreneur. I want to walk with Michi, and I was really just thinking about how
focus on the lowest point and the highest point from last week.
Sunday,
All my Haitians and Jamaicans, yes, bro.
This nigga just went up in here while he was doing so.
What are you doing in here?
Yeah, I know you could do it. I know you could be successful.
What's going on, YouTube? You guys already know the vibes. It's your boy Pip, and we're gonna be doing the breakdown video. YouTube.
I wake up kinda tired, but I'll just sleep in when I'm old. See, I don't like breaking rules, but don't like doing as I'm told. So I just feel like breaking rules, but don't like doing as I'm told.
What's going on? You guys already know the vibes. It's your boy Pip, and we're back with another video. Today is Saturday, 9:55. Still editing that video right now, but like I said, we're gonna lock in, bro. Daily content only, bro. So we're doing the Sunday breakdown, but I wanted to show y'all what I was cooking today. And the Sunday breakdown, we're gonna do it tonight, and we're just gonna edit it and then post it tomorrow. So we just wanted to start the vlog today, give you guys some mindset. We actually are gonna give you a little bit of book content. We capped. We're gonna give you some book content. But yeah, let me show you what I'm cooking right now. So yeah, got some chicken right here, bro. This shit been seasoning for about 2 days, I think, bro. I ain't gonna lie, like y'all see it. I'm about to pour that up in here, bro. Want me to do that real quick for you? Let me know. I got you. Ooh, you know what I'm saying? Twin! But nah, let me chill. I'm blessing him, you know what I'm saying? He grubbing. He ain't gonna meet you, baby. He ain't gonna meet you, baby. Good boy. And then got these baked potatoes we about to get cooking. About to do baked potatoes. You know me, like I said, bro, we like Velveeta over here. For our next meal, bro, about to do some chicken Alfredo and shit, bro. I just wanted to show y'all, bro. But y'all nosy as fucking motherfucking pantry, bro. Why'd I open this shit for y'all? I don't know, but yeah, that's what we gonna do, okay? So yeah. Anyways, we got the oven already on. Shorty's about to be on the way home. Yeah, that's really it, bro. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what I was cooking. After I'm done cooking this, bro, I'm gonna give y'all some book knowledge. I don't know where this nigga thinks he just went. This nigga just went up in here, bro. What you doing? Guess what, though? Guess what? Michi, guess what, though? Mama's coming home. Guess what? Mama's coming home. She's coming home. Yes, she is. She's coming home. You ready? You ready to see mama? Yeah. All my Haitians and Jamaicans. Yes, bro. I'm scraping the bowl right now. Obviously, I couldn't do that with one hand. I'm getting all the seasoning on. I know it's on the edges. I got you, fam. I want to walk with Michi, and I was really just thinking about how it's about to be a new week, Q4, and I just really am excited for 2025 and really excited for the new path, the new journey that I'm on when it comes to YouTube content creating. The goal is just to really yap about money, mindset, and trading, and watching my life elevate as to the things that I want to do to prolong my success. It's going to take more than one business to become a multi-millionaire and to stay rich. So it's gonna be up to me to keep locking in, to keep focusing on the things that I like to do, the skills that I acquire, and cash them in. It's Sunday. What are you doing to chase your dreams? Right now, I ain't even gonna lie, I'm not walking with Meech. We enjoying this whole tennis, bro. Guess nobody wants to be here today, so it's our field. So just wanted to leave y'all a tip on being great, staying focused on your dreams, and understanding that nothing's gonna happen overnight. You just got to set up goals and a system. So now when you're waking up, you have a schedule to focus on your dreams every day. Yo, this B try to line me up. Yeah, I know you could do it. I know you could be successful. Believe in me, watch the journey, and watch how I do it. You're going to see my system, you're going to see my process, and you're going to see the success come in the end. I already got proof of concept. Live a life where you feel like you are doing the best you can to chase your dreams. Live a life where you are not only living for you, but you're living for a family, living for a legacy, trying to change something for you. Because the big thing about being part of concentration, trading, being an entrepreneur, them sleepless nights, no one's gonna know about them but you.
What's going on, YouTube? You guys already know the vibes. It's your boy Pip, and we're gonna be doing the breakdown video. Let me turn this off because we already got good lighting. We're gonna do the breakdown video, and we're gonna just focus on doing GJ and Gold. Those are gonna be the main pairs that we're gonna be focusing on for the YouTube video. So going on with GJ, we're going to start off with the weekly time frame, and we're going to reset the chart. All I want to take in consideration is, if you guys remember, this is that zone that I was waiting for price to come back above, because if we have indication to break above, once we establish a level of support with GJ, we can continue back to the next levels of resistance. And overall, if you look at how price reacts, we can really see 200.5 quarter point, the quarter point area, sorry, my eye. So taking consideration with GJ, seeing the weekly time frame, how we're still bullish, we're respecting the bullish momentum, that higher low was respected, and we have been breaking levels of resistance, we can go down to the lower time frame and start looking at GJ in a bullish mindset. We don't have to keep thinking that price is selling. So going on the 4 hour, the only thing I want to really focus on for you guys is, remember how this was a level of resistance and we broke this level of resistance. Once we broke this level of resistance, we established a level of support at that first level that we broke. Take that in consideration. Only reason why I'm saying that is because when price made this low, we came back to retest and hit this level of resistance. Then we sold, made a higher low. Once we broke above this high momentum over here, notice how price came to retest this level, making higher lows. It's all about just finding the highs in GJ and seeing where the retest levels are most likely to happen. Obviously I had the main zones right here, and then you can clearly see that between this big range, this was a clear level because this is what started this big breakout. So going back down to this zone area over here, you can see how price made higher low momentum over here, higher low momentum over here, but we haven't made a support above this level of resistance that we broke. So for me, I would like to see price come down to retest a little bit, see price make a level of support around here. If price does want to come under a little bit, it can, but I want to see price continuously show levels of support through this resistance, so we have more confirmation. We already have highs above, which is already enough that we need, but to get in this trade, we'd like to see some retests at these zones and then continue back above, because like I said, going back, we could go to the daily this time. You can see that these are the next levels of resistance or the zones that we'll be going to. And with that being said, that really is it. I can really show you a quick play to look for. Let's see. Like if price was to come down and continue this retest, we could potentially look how price reacts at this level right here, simply because this is a high that was broken in New York session that continued. Then when price retest, you can see that we broke above this level. So I'm only just going to focus on this level simply because close to it, you can see 194.350. There's a 250 quarter point just around here. So I want to see how price reacts around this 250 quarter point. If price does stay bullish, we could catch a potential buy at this level around here. But like I said, I am waiting for price to really come into these key areas. But you know how GJ moves. GJ can catch support and resistance off of small areas and start to load up. As you can see, when price slowly builds up, that's how it does it. So let's take this off. When it comes to GJ, another thing that I just want to leave you guys with before we go to gold, taking consideration of the quarter points. Because notice how when price came to 195.500, notice how price respected this level of resistance to close off on Friday. But if we was to just go to the 4 hour time frame, just let this load for a second. Now on the 4 hour, if we was just to turn the daily breaks on and we was to put it on a weekly break instead of the daily break, because I want to show you guys something. Let's focus on the lowest point and the highest point from last week, and let's see how price could react off of the bullish fib. So we'll take it from here and we'll go all the way right there. Boom. So notice how once price hit the 0 point at the fib, notice how price respected that level, and now it needs to establish a level of support to continue with this fib, because you can see from these zones, the support levels that we found from the fib was from 0.86 and 0.618. So if we want to see price continue to be bullish, we want to see price retest more levels of the fib. So we could either see price come, like I said, to 0.382, because this is a level of resistance. If it wants to sell under, we could do 0.5, or around this quarter point area, because let's say price was to break that 250 quarter point. If we can stay above 194.00, that is another quarter point once again, and we can establish support and continue above, which is why I said it's all about just being patient with GJ, because you guys already can see with GJ, it's easy to identify when price is making higher low, higher high momentum. It's all about finding the volume with it, because you don't want to get caught in this type of momentum, think that you're wrong in the trade, and then the whole time you were just waiting for momentum the whole time, if you know what I mean, because you can see the bigger candlesticks. That's just all I'm saying. I'm not saying like this is a good trade. I'm just saying focus on where key areas are most likely to happen. That's where you're going to get volume. You're not going to get buying momentum once price made a high and you know price needs to retest. You're going to get good buying momentum once you've seen price get a clean retest and start breaking levels of resistance on the way back up, as you can clearly see right here on NFP. So that being said, let's go do gold. With gold, the main thing I want to focus on is I am in a position, so I don't want to get too biased on my position. So my position, I do have an entry around here, then I have an entry right here, so I am in drawdown with this entry like I was talking about in the last video. So the main thing I want to focus on is I want to see how price reacts when it comes to all these support levels right here, because as you can see, when price closed off, we closed off at this level of resistance. I wasn't too worried about it because price was giving clean indication that we were bearish. So it's up to next week right now to see how we react to this level of support right here. If price does want to break, great for us, because then you guys can capitalize off of this trade. Just simply knowing that this is the only level of support right here for gold. Gold will need to go to its next level. So that being said, understanding with gold, we can go to the lower time frame. You can clearly see that we do have a lot of support level reactions. So with me, the only thing I just wanted to focus on is the support levels. I want to show you guys how price can come down here once, twice, 3 times, multiple times. So if price is to break, where are we going? We're going to be attacking low levels under. So going back to the 4-hour time frame, resetting the chart, and we still have the weekly breaks. We're going to take price and we're going to take it from the highest point to the lowest point up there, and we'll take it down here for the week. And you can already see I already have the other fib. I'm gonna take it off just 1 second. I don't want to say take it off, but I'll just disappear it. So looking at the bearish fib, taking consideration that from 886 level, when price retested around NFP, we failed to come touch these ones, failed to break levels of resistance, and we immediately started attacking the fib on a resistance standpoint. One thing I like about gold is that if I was to take this, drag it out a little bit so we can get so it can look just a little bit more cleaner for us. Look at how price immediately goes from 886 trying to attack 0.236, then immediately comes back to 886 and immediately closes under 0.5. Then you see price attacking 0.68. I just want to show you how when price has the resistance fib, notice how price is respecting the fib. If price wasn't respecting the fib, like I said on the other fib that I had on the daily time frame, which is why it was giving me big confluence last week to hop into a trade without me even having to put on my fib. I'll take this one. Well, let me go. I'll just have to rewind. I got you. Right there, boom. So take this one. Let's hide this. Notice how when price came at 618, it didn't respect this fib level anymore. It didn't respect price leaving support levels above the fib. It didn't respect price leaving support higher lows above the fib. It started making lower highs within the bullish fib, which gave me a big indication that, okay, selling momentum is starting to happen here. So let me see how we can play with selling momentum last week, and then now throwing on the fib this week, we can clearly see how clean it is. Because now let's do the let's change the weekly breaks to the daily breaks. Turn this off. Grab this, and you guys can already see I do have a move here, because if price, let's say price is to stop out my entry, I do want to see if price can retest here, and then we could catch this move, because I am waiting to see if we can catch that 1 to 5 once again, because we did end up getting that in for last week. It was about a 1 to 3, so I want to see if we can catch that 1 to 5. Anyways, we take this fib on the daily break, we're gonna focus on just taking it from the highest point in the market and the lowest point in the market from Friday. Boom. This one will hide. Okay. Notice how when price opened up, we came above 0.5 but failed to attack 0.618, which is all good. Notice how price is now starting to trend to 0.236 area, which is if you remember, 0.236 area was around this low level once again on the weekly break, which is just good for entry points and understanding that the structure and the fibs are aligning. So the big thing that I want to look at when it comes to gold, because I said I already have entries here and I already have entries here. If price does continue to break from this level, this is the best entry point to get in. I don't want to make people get in around here and we're guessing that price is going to potentially to break. I would like to see price come around this level and potentially break, or if price was to start showing a level of support, we can start looking at how price can retest with the fib within the new day, because since we have Friday, we know that 786 and 886 areas is around here. So if we see price trading this level of resistance and respecting it, that's going to be a good indication to capitalize off of price making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and staying lower to start attacking levels of support. And that being said, it's your boy Pip. I appreciate y'all watching the video. You guys see me cuddled up. I'm cozy, bro, in the middle of the night right now, dropping these videos for y'all. And if you guys want to be a part of a great community, I drop free signals daily, I drop charts daily, I drop knowledge daily. Join the Telegram, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe to the YouTube. Any questions, comment here or any of the social medias I just referenced, because I am open to chat, I'm open to kick it with you guys, and I'm here to give free value to you guys. That's what my goal is at the end of the day. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be great. The only way's up. Peace.
Shout out to that boy Sire, getting hot, you know what I'm saying? I wouldn't even say these niggas chain. I would just say these niggas want real if they would've had a nigga think. One day I'ma run away with my gut feeling, then take it to the bank. One day I'ma run away with my dream, bitch, then take it to the paint. Life ain't getting no more easy, I'm just trying to get away. Nigga asked why we were robbing, we were just trying to make a way. Main whole nag, my phone ringing, I'm just trying to make a play. I seen everybody eating shit, I was just trying to get a plate. Before I leave, I say a prayer and then pick up the Glock. Folks sticky and vicious thought, police trying to grab the block. Before I slide, I say another prayer and then go load the ball. Then I go unload the block. It feel good, unload the shot. I cut my hoes off, cause them bitches scratch me out. They take my phone like scratch me out. When shit got cold, I kept it hot. Ain't no switching up forever in that mode, ain't getting out. I can't let no nigga outdo me forever, live by get it now. Do what she do, she gotta go. Baby, known for getting round. All these pretty hoes like to come around, cause they know we getting down. Couple niggas though too deep, couldn't swim it, now they getting drowned. Work too hard to get up to the top, now ain't no sitting down. I wouldn't even say these niggas chain. I would just say these niggas weren't real if they would've had a nigga think. One day I'ma run away with my gut feeling, then take it to the bank. One day I'ma run away with my dream, bitch, then take it to the paint. Life ain't getting no more easy, I'm just